Let's look at creating and updating a project. First of all, we'll log into Oracle. We have the option to use a data entry form. You can do this directly in the spreadsheet. However, the form allows you to pull back lists of values. So in this example, we'll pull back a source template name. We'll then give our project a name and a project number, as well as a description. Now we can use that project as the basis for creating multiple projects. So using standard Excel, we'll change the project numbers, give the project names different numbers as well, and then using the standard upload functionality of the integrator, we'll fire off validation and then upload using the REST service back to Oracle. Now that we have accepted statuses on those projects, we can download one as an example to make an update. So in this example here, we'll grab one project, paste that into another cell, and use a download feature here called Download via Sheet. And this will return the project information to us. We optionally can use the data entry form to do the update. You can of course just use Excel and do it en masse in the spreadsheet. In this example here, we're just dealing with one record. So we'll just update the project description, and then we'll just choose the upload action of update, and we'll simply upload selected. And you can see that's been accepted by Oracle and the change is completed. We have the option of using a download form as well. So looking at the project that we've just gone and updated, let's download this via the form. So we put our project number in, and we just press download. And you'll see that this will return one record. And across to the right here, you'll also see, apart from the project information, we have the project tasks. Those have also come back for us.